In this video, I'm going to show you how to change pins in Brawl Stars. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open Brawl Stars on your device and sign into your Brawl Stars account. Now in here, go ahead and click on the top left corner of your screen and this will redirect you to your profile. Now at the bottom of your profile, you'll be able to find the battle card. So go ahead and click on the settings icon beside the battle card and you'll be able to customize your pin on Brawl Stars. So go ahead and click on that settings icon and in here, go ahead and head over to the pin section. Now in here, you can go ahead and select your default pin for your Brawl Stars account and just leave it as it is to save it as your pin on your Brawl Stars account. Now you can also customize the pin for your specific characters on Brawl Stars and this could vary depending on the character that you have. And that's how you can simply change pins on Brawl Stars. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you in the next video.